wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change the ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, you don't hear
everything you'll need to recreate seam sealer. Of course, seam sealer. You need your small hair brushes. You're gonna need an extra seam sealer bottle, especially if it's a big job like the one I'm doing. Self-etching primer for corrosion protection. Extra tip for your second bottle. You'll need some tape, 1 or 2 inch, whatever you prefer. And then I'll show you what you need the tape for. Basically, you're gonna need the tape off the seam between the old part and the new part. All right, first you wanna spray your primer, then start laying your tape edges. Make sure you lay these correctly and nice and neat because your overall finish is gonna depend on it. Show you what mine look like. Mine should clean. Stay clean, gotta be clean. Ain't no other way around it. You feel me? Then you lay your seam sealer, stay in between the lines. Even when you're spreading it, once again, your finish gonna depend on it. Then if you do it right, it look like mine. And that shit look good. You feel me?
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change the ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, you don't hear nothing.